When NASA's Perseverance rover lifts off from Cape Canaveral for its months-long journey to Mars, it will be packing a stowaway of sorts. Tucked securely in the craft's underbelly will be Ingenuity, the first helicopter to fly on the Red Planet. Created in collaboration with Simi Valley-based AeroVironment Inc., the high-tech drone is the brainchild of Bob Balaram, a principal member of the Mobility and Robotics Systems section at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory and chief engineer on the project. If all goes well, Perseverance will depart for its 300 million-mile journey to Mars this month. The project won't be cheap. In an April interview with Scientific American, Lori Glaze, director of NASA's Planetary Science Division, said the process of building and launching Perseverance has an estimated price tag of $2.4 billion. The rover's primary mission will be to explore Jezero Crater, a 28-mile-wide area where a river once flowed into a body of water the size of Lake Tahoe, depositing sediments packed with minerals and clay. Scientists believe the ancient river delta could have collected and preserved organic molecules and other potential signs of life. Mars orbiters have been collecting images and data from Jezero Crater from about 200 miles up. But finding signs of ancient life on the surface requires closer inspection. Ingenuity will be a technology demonstration. Many of the helicopter's components are commercial, off-the-shelf parts from the world of smartphones, including 2 cameras, a device that measures movement, an altimeter to gauge altitude, an inclinometer to measure tilt angles, and computer processors. All of those systems will be tested once the drone is deployed. Needless to say, it's no ordinary helicopter. Weighing in at just 4 pounds, it's equipped with counter-rotating, carbon fiber rotors that spin at around 400 rpms, about 8 times as fast as a standard helicopter. The extra velocity will be needed to keep the craft aloft in Mars' sparse atmosphere where the air is 100 times thinner than on Earth. Ben Pipenberg, AV's lead engineer on the project, says that won't be a problem. "We have a lot of experience in developing high-altitude airplanes," Pipenberg said. "We've flown airplanes up to 96,000 feet and the conditions on Mars will be similar." AV's engineers are involved in the development of integrated robotics, sensors, software analytics and connectivity solutions. But Ingenuity takes the technology to new heights, literally. The company employs 823 full-time and 5 part-time employees. Physics are also on Ingenuity's side, as the gravity on Mars is about a third of that on Earth. AV has designed and produced a variety of unmanned aircraft systems that are used by the U.S. military and for commercial purposes, such as crop monitoring and assessing damage from wildfires and oil spills. AV designed and developed Ingenuity's airframe and major subsystems.